Good morning, geometry. Today in class is an assessment day. So if you are at home, then your goal today is to just get caught up. If you're completely caught up, then maybe study a little bit, check in with the attendance, and that's what I need from you today. If you are not caught up, you need to become so. I'm not slowing down here, and those of you that are a couple of days behind to a couple of weeks behind, there's not going to magically become a day where I lift all of the prerequisites on the homework and say, okay, now here's all the assessments. They still all pass fail. They still require all of the previous work. So this hole that you're digging yourselves, it's not going to get any shallower without you digging yourself out. Okay? Now, there aren't any deadlines, so you can still do all of it. So it's still possible to do. Like, there's always still hope, but the light at the end of the tunnel is getting farther and farther away for you. So get caught up, and I cannot stress that enough. Otherwise, if you're in class, we will be taking an assessment, and those of you at home, you will be taking your assessment on Monday. Don't forget there will be stuff posted for tomorrow, because even if you're not here, you are still doing school stuff. So assessment on Monday, and I'll see you then.